Hi my dear students, welcome to our channel AB Math 360. Today's our topic is powers and exponents, which is a part of surds and indices. This topic generally every students, some of the students skip this type of questions, but this is a very easy chapter which you solve very easily. So our chapter is powers, exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. Here look this, suppose I want to write down 2 to the power 5. This is called base, this number is called base, and this is called exponent or power. Exponent, or this is also called power. This is also we called 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5. Okay, again we can write it down 2 raised to the power of 5. 2 raised power of 5. This is called power or exponent, and this is called base. So this number, write carefully, 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5 means this is a base and this is a power. So write it down. 2 how many times there are? Power is 5 times. So just multiply it 5 times. Just wrote 2 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose 5 power 3. So write it down 5 up to 3 times. 5 into 5 into 5. So this is the result. Suppose 3 power 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this is the situation of, you can write 10 to power n. So 10 into 10 into 10 into how many times? N times. This is the main basic concept of exponents and powers. Now move to the some formulas which are more important to us. So let's discuss about some formulas. So a to the power m multiplied with a to the power n. Look this formula, observe carefully. A to the power m multiplied with a to the power n. Here bases are same. Bases are same. In the two cases there are bases same. That means base is a. Powers are different. Here power is m and here power is n. M plus n. So what is the formula of a power of m multiplied with a power of n? That is a power of m plus n. So I take an example. Example 1. Suppose 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. Here bases are same and powers are different. So just take the base and just add these two powers. That means 5 plus 3, that is 2 to the power 8. Okay, clear? This is the first type question. Suppose I take another example. 5 power 7 multiplied with 5 power 3. So here also there are base is same and powers are 7, and in this case power is 3. So just add this two powers, that is 5 power 10. So this is the first formula. The bases are same and powers are different. That means a to the power m plus n. Okay, clear? Okay, we are moving to the next type formula. So look at this, my dear students. I write down another formula, and we can also prove this formula, how a to the power m into how a to the power n. So now I write down another formula, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. In this case, so these two questions are very similar, but in the only different thing is here multiplication and here division. In that case, in the division case, just subtract these two powers. Here also bases are same but powers are different, and this is in division. So just subtract it, these two numbers m minus n, that is m minus 1. In this type, take an example, one or two examples. I write 3 power 4 divided by 3 power 2. So 3 power 4 minus 2, that means 3 power 2. You can also write the, what is the 3 power 2? 9, or you can keep the 3 power of 2. Let's take another example. 7 to the power 12 divided by 7 to power 6. Just 7 to the power 6. So 7 to the power 12, just minus the powers, 12 to power minus 7 to the power 12 minus 6. That means 7 to the power 6. So answer is 7 to power 6. So we can move the another example. We can clear the first and second type formula. Now we are going to third formula. This is also a basic third type formula. Look at this. Here a to the power n whole to the bracket, again also power n. So what will be the m multiplied by n. This is an power, this is also an power. When these two powers are in the bracket, that means a to the power n, bracket close, and n. In that case, you can directly multiply these two powers. So I write down 5 to the power 3, and here 5 to the power 2 in the bracket, also 5 and 3. So just multiply these two multiplied with 3. So 5 to the power 6. Not a 5 to the power, not 5 to the power 6. I can take 10 to the power 7 and also 8. Just multiply these two powers. 10 to the power 7 multiplied with 8. That is 10 to the power 7 8s are 56. 10 to the power 56. Okay, clear? We can clear 3 formulas. Now we are going to 4th, 5th and so on. Okay, look this. Here I can draw a to the power m multiplied with b to the power m. So observe carefully with the first formula, that means a power m multiplied with a power n. So in this case, a power m multiplied with b power m. Here look this, these powers are same but bases are different. Powers are same but bases are different. Just multiply these two numbers, that means a multiplied b, ab, and in the bracket just common this power, that means here power m and here also power m. Just write it down, that means ab to the power m. I can write the example 3 to the power 4 multiplied by 5 to the power 4. Here also you can directly write it down. 3 and 5 are different bases but powers are equal. So in the type cases, just multiply this 15 to the power 4. 3 5s are 15 to the power 4. Okay, clear? And take another example. 7 to the power 2 multiplied with 9 to the power 2. Here also these two bases are different but the power is same. So just multiplied 7 9s are 63 and powers are equal. So 63 to the power 2. 63 to the power 2. Okay, move on to the next question. 5th number formula. You can also do this. Suppose a to the power m divided by b to the power m. This case also. So here also you can directly, I write it down, a divided b, that means a divided b, a by b to the power m. You can also write it down and alternatively a to the power m by b to the power m, that means a by b to the whole power of m. So I can 8 to the power 2 divided with 4 to the power 2. Just look it down. 8 to the power 2 divided by 4 to power 2. Just 8 here and 4 here. Common power 2 here. And 4 ones are 4 twos are. 4 ones are 4 twos are. 2 to the power 2. That means you can also write 4 as your answer. So move the another example. Another type formula. Okay, sixth number formula. You can draw it. This is the very important. That means any number's power is equal to 0 always gives you 1. This is the most important formula. Every student must know this number. Any number's power 0 is always gives us as 1 as result. So I can write 5 to the power 0, 1, 1 to 3 power 0, that is also 1, 8 by 9 to the power 0, that is also 1, 753 power 0, that is also 1. Any numbers power 0 always gives us 1 as our result. 2 to the power 0, 1, 3 to the power 0, 1, 4 to the power 0, 1, any number 0 is 1. Okay, we are going to next type of formula, that is this is also an important. In the every type of formula 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and another some questions, another some formulas is very important. So let's discuss it. For a second I erase the board and I will take another calculations because of lack of my space in the board. So if you want to write your notes, please pause my video and write your notes here and follow my notes. So I take as seventh formula, that is a to the power minus m. Here power goes to negative. This is the negative power. So in that case, this is also most important type. Every student confused about the formula. I can even suppose here a to the power minus m, just write it the reciprocal of the number. That means reverse of the number, multiplication reciprocals. That means a to the power 1 by a to the power plus m. That means suppose I write down 2 to the power minus 5. Suppose 2 to the power 5, I can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 up to 5 times. I can get my result as 32. Here 2 to the power minus 5 means reverse of result. That means 1 by 2 to the power 5. 1 by 32. Okay, this is the most important concept. Please note it down. Any number's power is negative, so the number will be reciprocal. The number will be reciprocal. Okay. Now these are the eight type of formulas which are discussed. Now we are going to discuss about some questions. So exams are in the examinations. Now look at my dear students. Here some questions which are basic type of questions. Here first number question, 3 to the power minus 2. 3 to the power minus 2. Here look this question, a to the power whenever minus to the power given, that answer will be reciprocal of this question. Just write down the 1 by 3 to the power minus 2, that is 1 by 9. Here also minus 4 to the power minus 2, that means write it down 1 by minus 4 to the power just plus 2. Here minus 2 reciprocal of a number, that would be positive. That means 1 by minus 4 multiplied by minus 4, that means 1 by 16. Here also look this question, 1 by 2 to the power of minus 5, just reciprocal the number. Here 1 by 2, I write it down 2 by 1, reciprocal. Here 4 by 1, 1 by 4. Here 1 by 2 becomes 2 by 1 to the power 5. That means 2 to the power 5 by 1 to the power 5. by 1 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5, that is 32 by 1 to the power 1. So answer is 32 by 1. Look at this question. So here first of all bracket is given. So first solve this question. So here these bases are same but the powers are different. So I write it down. Whenever divide comes, the power should be always minus. Here minus 7 minus 10 multiplied with 3 to the power minus 5. Okay, I can write it down. Minus 7 plus 10, minus goes here, plus into 3 to the power minus 5. Here 3 to the power minus 7 plus 10, that is gives us positive 3 power and 3 to the power minus 5. So here bases are equal. So just if you get the multiplication, just add these two powers, that means 3 to the power 3 and here plus minus 5. So 3 to the power minus 2, that is 3 to the 1 by 3 to the power 2, that is 1 by 9. So you can solve these questions as type, and we are going to add another some questions adding. Now look at my dear students. Now these are another 4. So we can discuss all type these examples of the respective formulas. So here 2 to the power minus 3 multiplied with 2 to the power 7 to the power minus 3. You can write it down 1 to the 1 by 2 to the power 3 multiplied 1 by 7 to the power 3. So which formula goes there? So here these powers are equal, minus 3. So I can take the example of this formula number 3. So just multiply these two numbers, that means 2 7s are 14, 14 to the power minus 3, that means 1 by 14 to the power 3 plus 3, 14 to the power positive 3. So this is the answer. So now look at this question. 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 multiplied with 2 to the power 2. So what is the 3 to the power 0? I can tell you before that, any to the power 0 always gives you 1. So 3 to the power 0 give me as 1. 4 to the power minus 1. If the 4 to the power plus 1, so answer would be 4 to the power 1 means 4. Here 4 to the power minus 1, that means 1 by 4 into 2 to the power 2 means just 4. Here 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 4 multiplied by 4 cancel outs and 5 our answer. Okay, 4 cancel outs. Here look at this question. 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power 8 gives us 5 to the power 5. Just observe this question. So what is your base here? 5 and here also 5. So just write the 5, and whenever the division bases are same, so m minus 8 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Here also look at this. Here 5, here also 5. Just cancel this 5s, that means I can cancel 5, here also 5. So what you get? Remaining part 8 minus m minus 8 is equal to 5. So just minus 8 go through the right side, that means m is equal to 5. This minus goes this side, that means 8, that is 13. What is the value of m? 13. M is equal to 13. Answer. So here this question 2 by 3's power to the whole power of 3. So whenever powers are in this type, so just multiply their powers. 2 by 3 powers 2 and another power 3, that means 2 by 3 power 2 3s are 6. That means you can write also 2 to the power 6 by 3 to the power 6. This is your answer. We are going another questions, more type questions. Okay, let's move on to the next questions. Now my dear students, look at this. 2 to the power 4 all to the power 1 by 2, and in the curly bracket outside which number gives us 256. First of all, in the exponents and powers chapter, we must have to mind the powers of 2. 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 up to 2 to the power 10. This is the most key point of the examinations, because 2 to the power is the most common number of 2. We can observe 2 to the power 10 up to 1020. 2 to the power 10, 1020. What is the 2 power 3? 2 to power 1 is equal to 2. 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. What is the 2 power 3? 2 power 2 is 4. Next third term, that means multiplied with 2. 4 to jar 8. To the power 4, that means 8 to jar 16. To the power 5, that is 32. And to the power 6, that is 32 2 times 64. 2 to the power 7, that is 64 2 times 128. 2 to the power 8, what is the 256. 2 to the power 9, that is 512. And finally 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024. And again, if you extend this, 2 to the power 11 is equal to 2048. So, and if you remember to the 2 to the power 1 from to up to 2 to the power 10, very helpful for your examinations. So here 256, we got 256. We can write this number as 2 to the power 8. Here 2 to the power 4 and to the power 1 by 2, that means 2 powers would be multiplied. Here question mark goes here x. Just calculate this. 2 1s are 2 2s are, power would cancel out. 2 to the power 2x is equal to 2 to the power 8. That means, look at this, these two bases are equal. So just cancel it 2's, that is implies 2x. This power 2x is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to 4. Here this question's answer what? X is equal to 4. Answer. So look this question. 16 to the power 9 divided by 16 to the power 4 multiplied with 16 to the power 3. So in the formation you can write it directly. So look at this, 16, 16, 16. So 9 minus 4 into 16 to the power 3. If you got plus 3. So divided means minus and multiplication means plus. So 16 to the power what? So 9 minus 4, that is 5 plus 3, 8. 16 to the power 8 is equal to 16 to the power what? Here also these two bases are got cancel out and x would be 8, your answer. So question, this is the another question. So 5 by 8 to the power minus 7. Here power goes negative. So I can interchange, that means reciprocal this number, that means 8 by 5 to the power 7 multiplied with. Here 8 by 5 to the power minus 4. I can write it down 5 by 8 to the power plus 4. So cancel this out. So 8 to the power 7 by 5 to the power 7 multiplied with 5 to the power 4 by 8 to the power 4. So what would I do now? 8 to the power 4, 7 divided by 8 to the power 4. I can write it. Okay. 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. Here I can get 8 to the power 7 minus 4 into 5 to the power 4 minus 7. If I calculate this problem, look this question, 8 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 5 to the power plus 3. So I can write it down, 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 1 by 8 to the power 3, that is 5 by 8 to the power 3. Or you can write what is the 5 cube? 125. What is the 8 cube? 512. So what is the answer? 125 by 512. In the same way, we can solve as many as questions as possibles of your choice. If you want to or many questions, please subscribe my channel and like as you like my methods. Thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel and share as much as possible. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you. Please watch my videos full.